The beach safety camera project started in 2020 with Strand and Bloberg, both of which were drowning hotspots in Cape Town as proof of concepts. Then we expanded the rollout to Herald's Bay and Buffels Bay, and finally reaching Plett about 2 years ago.
Plett were unfortunate to have a spat of a couple of shark attacks, and I think that brought the whole community together. We wanted to pull together to come up with a safer solution for our beach destination, and from there the whole business of beach safety in Plett evolved and started working together. We were fortunate enough to trial a camera system for sea rescue.
Today we completed the rollout of the last few cameras. It started in Victoria Bay with one camera.
Victoria Bay is becoming one of our high risk. We have a lot of incidents. It's a very popular beach, and just trends over the last few years have indicated and shown that there's a lot of near misses, a lot of incidents that have happened. And the cameras just help us to respond, just buys us more time, keeps us more vigilant.
Then we did 3 more in Plett, which brings the total cameras in Plett to 4, and 1 now in Nature's Valley.
Nature's Valley is a long-haul destination. It's far to go with a boat and equally far to get an ambulance there. It's quite remote.
And so having eyes in this area allows NSRI volunteers to get eyes on patients or potential incidents immediately without having to drive for quite a few minutes or even respond by boat in unknown conditions.
We're in the fortunate position now that we've got beach safety cameras running from Nature's Valley all the way out of our area, all the way Knysna to Herald's Bay. And we're fortunate to have a couple of shark alarms along the way.
The shark alarm system is divided into 4 different zones, each of which is popular with bathers. Each zone has an alarm to signal an evacuation, and then there's also a multicolour light to signal the risk of a shark encounter to bathers. And finally, the system allows for paging, where lifeguards can page or do a voice call to the bathers to educate them on what the present risk may be.
It's a multidisciplinary approach, from the eyes in the sky, from the shark spotter, from the camera operator, to the shark alarm, to the lifeguard on the beach, or sea rescue responding in case of emergency.
So thanks to very generous donors in Plettenberg Bay, we were able to expand the system to include these additional technologies, and that makes Plett now, in my opinion, one of the safest beaches in the world.